Right now, these AI cycling POV videos are absolutely exploding across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Some creators are pulling in millions of views with simple first-person cycling clips that look insanely realistic. One channel even grew to hundreds of thousands of followers just from posting these videos consistently. And the craziest part? Most people think they're real. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral AI cycling POV videos step by step using AI tools. No editing experience needed, and the entire process takes just a few minutes. Here's one of the videos I made myself. Alright, the first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, head over to the GPT section, search for and open the viral cycling POV generator, then click the first link to launch. As soon as the GPT opens up, click on Start My Generator. What this tool does is generate 10 unique cycling POV concepts for you automatically. These are designed specifically to create those cinematic first-person biking videos that are blowing up right now across social media. Now you have a few different options here. You can choose one of the ideas the GPT gives you, type in your own custom concept if you already have something in mind, or simply type more to generate another batch of ideas until you find something you really like. For this example, I'm going to go with option number 2. Once the GPT finishes generating, it's going to give you two things: an image prompt and a video animation prompt. The image prompt is what we'll use to create the ultra-realistic cycling scene, and the video prompt is what brings everything to life with motion and cinematic camera movement. Now let's generate the image. Copy the image prompt from the GPT and head over to OpenArt. Again, I'll leave the link in the description so you can follow along easily. Inside OpenArt, click on Image, then select Create Image. After that, click on the model selector and choose Nano Banana 2. This model is honestly incredible for realistic outdoor environments and POV-style scenes. Next, paste your prompt into the prompt box. For the settings, change the aspect ratio to 9:16, set the quality to 2K, and then choose however many image variations you want generated. Once everything looks good, click Generate. And this is where things get crazy. Here's how mine turned out. The lighting, the road textures, the environment, the camera angle, even the atmosphere all look unbelievably real. Mine generated this beautiful cherry blossom river trail cycling route with flowers falling and the quiet river by the side. And honestly, if you saw this on TikTok or Instagram, you'd probably think it was filmed with a high-resolution camera like the GoPro in real life. Once your images finish generating, simply pick the one you like the most and click Frame to Video on the right side. Now we're going to animate it. Scroll back up, click on the model options again, and this time choose Kling 3.0. This model is amazing for realistic motion and smooth cinematic movement. Then go back to the GPT, copy the video prompt it generated for you, and paste it directly into OpenArt. Before generating, make sure audio is turned on, because it adds a lot more immersion to the final result. Then set the duration somewhere between 5 and 10 seconds. Switch the resolution to 1080p, and hit Generate. And that's literally it. Within minutes, you'll have a hyper-realistic AI cycling POV video that looks like it was captured by a real cyclist riding through insane environments. Let's preview it. Now, simply download it. Go ahead, create as many videos as you can, just like you see me do, and stick them together with CapCut for a longer video. That's the entire workflow from start to finish. Super simple, beginner-friendly, and insanely powerful if you want to jump into this viral AI niche early. All the tools, links, and resources are down below in the description. And definitely make sure you subscribe because I've got a lot more viral AI video tutorials coming soon.